Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. India is the 7th largest nation in the world in terms of area, which has an area of 3,287 million kilometers square. The most part of this area is land and desert. To connect such a large country for traveling can only be achieved by roads. To make traveling possible through the country, Indian government has constructed 92,851.05 kilometers of roads, and this number is growing day by day. Indian National Highway System connects each and every major city with each other. Indian government has made a lot of national highways under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. They are skillfully managed to connect different parts of the country through well-planned and segmented roads that lead to proper connectivity among different states. As per the data, the road network of India is considered to be the second largest in the world today. In the transportation of goods, national highways plays a very important role. This is an integral part of the system containing a network of trunk roads provides improvement in connectivity. National highways in India have become an essence of the road network in today's scenario as they connect the northern, southern, eastern and western parts of India with each other. All the credit for this goes to the National Highway Authority of India NHAI, which takes care of this road network from its construction to the maintenance. There are about 87 national highways in India, which measures around 1,15,435 km. They not only contribute to the development of the infrastructure of the nation by connecting commercially rich states and cities, but also elevate the Indian economy as well. With the advent of these highways, now we don't have to stand in long queues for railway ticket or wait for the ticket confirmation anymore to travel to other states or cities. You just need to take out your car and you can take a ride to any of the states or cities without getting jam-packed in the traffic. All these factors have made the life of every Indian much easier and faster than before. Let's have a glimpse at the top 10 longest national highways in India connecting the Indian states and important cities. Number 10 on the list is National Highway 19, previously called National Highway 2, total length 1435 km. National Highway 19 is the most frequently used and most busy Indian highways. It begins from Delhi and ends in Kolkata. Most part of this national highway belongs to the famous Grand Trunk Road. This highway is a part of the National Highway Development Project. Its total length 1435 km is dedicated to the Golden Quadrilateral, a length of 253 of this highway falling in the middle of Delhi and Agra comes under the North-South Corridor, and the stretch of 35 km of this highway between the Bara and Kanpur falls under the East-West Corridor. NH19 also forms a part of Asian Highway Network and links Tokyo, Japan with Istanbul. Connecting states Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Connecting cities Delhi, Faridabad, Palwal, Mathura, Agra, Firozabad, Etawah, Babarpur, Ajitmal, Auraiya, Kanpur, Fatehpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Mughal Sarai, Mohania, Sasaram, Dehri, on Son, Aurangabad, Dhobi, Barhi, Bagadar, Gobindpur, Asansol, Durgapur, Burdwan, Palsit, Dankuni and Kolkata. Number 9. National Highway 66, previously called National Highway 17, total length 1622 km. National Highway 66 is the one of the most known national highways in India, passing through some of the amazing places of India, especially the Western Ghats, and frequently passes by the Arabian Sea. This highway covers the northern, southern and western part of India. It covers a total distance of 1622 km starting from Panvel on NH4 and ending at Kanyakumari. Connecting states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Connecting cities Panvel, Pen, Mangon, Mahad, Poladpur, Khed, Chiploon, Sangameshwar, Hattakamba Ratnagiri, Lanja, Rajapur, Kankakavali, Kudal, Savantwadi, Panaji, Kanakona, Margon, Karwar, Kumta, Honawar, Bhatakal, Kundapura, Udupi, Suratkal, Mangaluru, Upala, Kasaragod, Taliparambu, Kannur, Thalassery, Vatakara, Payoli, Koilandi, Kozhikode, Perok, Ramanattukara, Tirunelveli, Kottakkal, Valanchery, Ponani, Chavakad, Kodingaluru, North Paravur, Kochi, Cherthala, Alapuzhu, Ambalapuzhu, Hadipar, Kayamkulam, Karunagappi, Chavara, Nindikara, Kolam, Mevaram, Kottayam, Chattanur, Attingal, Tiruvananthapuram, Balarampuram, Neyathinkara, Parasala, Marthamdam, Nagercoil, and Kanyakumari. Number 8 on the list is National Highway 16, previously called National Highway 5, total length 1711 kilometers. This national highway is exceptional in terms of the weather conditions and picturesque scenery. This 1711 km long highway runs from Kolkata in the east to Chennai in the south and passes through the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. NH16 constituted a part of the Golden Quadrilateral project as it adjoins the vital agriculture, industrial and cultural hubs of these states. But later on, it was taken over by the National Highway Development Project. Connecting states: West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Connecting cities: Kolkata, Kharagpur, Baleshwar, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Berhampur, Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Guntur, Chilakkurupet, Ongala, Nellore and Chennai. Next on the list is number 7. Number 7 is National Highway 53. Total length 1781 kilometers. This national highway is 1781 kilometers long and passes through the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. It starts from Hazira in Gujarat and ends in Paridip port in Odisha. It is built by making use of the best technology. NH53 is a segment of the Asian Highway Network 46 in India. Connecting states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Connecting cities: Hazira, Surat, Uchal, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nasirabad, Bhusawal, Akola, Amravati, Nagpur, Bhandara, Deori, Rajnandgaon, Durg, Raipur, Arang, Sarepalli, Bargarh, Sambhalpur, Deogarh, Dhubri, Chandikhol, Haridaspur and Paridip port. Sixth on the list is National Highway 6. Total length 1873 kilometers. National Highway 6 offers some amazing and tantalizing view of the mountains as it passes through the northeastern stretch of India. It is 1873 kilometers long and is said to be the backbone of Northeast as it connects Assam, Mizoram and Meghalaya with each other. This highway shares its connectivity with NH44, NH37, NH2, NH54, NH53, NH40 and NH154. Connecting states: Meghalaya, Assam and Mizoram. Connecting cities: Jorabad, Shillong, Badarpur, Panchgram, Kolasib, Kanpui, Aswal and Sealing. Fifth on the list is National Highway 30, previously known as NH221, total length 2040 km. The 2040 km long National Highway 30 starts from Sitarganj in Uttarakhand and terminates at Ibrahimpatnam in Andhra Pradesh. The highway connects with NH9 in the beginning and with NH65 at the end. It is considered as one of the safest highways in India owing to the less number of road accidents. Connecting states: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Connecting cities: Sitarganj, Pilibhit, Bareilly, Shahjahanpur, Sitapur, Lucknow, Raebareli, Pratapgarh, Allahabad, Mangawan, Rewa, Katni, Jabalpur, Mandla, Chilpi, Shimga, Raipur, Dhamtadi, Keshkal, Jagdalpur, Konta, Nelipakka, Bhadrachalam, Palvancha, Kotagudem, Tiravuru, Mailavaram, Kondapalle and Ibrahimpatnam. Fourth on the list is National Highway 52. Total length 2317 km. National Highway 52 connects the north of India to the south of India. This 2217 km long highway begins from the city of Sangrur in Punjab and ends at Ankola city in Karnataka. This highway also share connectivity with NH7 near Sangrur and NH66 near Ankola. The highway is economically beneficial due to its connectivity with the major commercial cities of India. Connecting states Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Connecting cities Sangrur, Patran, Narvana, Hisar, Siwani, Sadulpur, Churu, Fatehpur, Sikar, Chomu, Jaipur, Tonk, Bundi, Talera, Kota, Jawal, Aklera, Rajgarh, Bairo, Devas, Indore, Sendwa, Dhule, Chalisgaon, Aurangabad, Beed, Osmanabad, Solapur, Bijapur, Hubli, and Ankola. Number 3. National Highway 48, previously known as NH4 and NH8. Total length 2807 kilometers. This highway came into existence after adjoining two previous national highways, NH4 and NH8. It runs for a distance of 2807 kilometers and connects the northern states to the southern states. The highway starts from New Delhi and terminates in Chennai. It became the most used highway as it connects the major states and cities to each other. The Delhi-Gurugram Expressway, Jaipur-Kishangarh Expressway, and the Western Expressway constitute a part of this highway. Connecting states Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Connecting cities New Delhi, Bawal, Kotpuli, Jaipur, Ajmer, Kishangarh, Nasirabad, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Navsari, Vapi, Ankleshwar, Surat, Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, Belgaum, Hubli, Devangere, Chitradurga, Bengaluru, Krishnagiri, Vellore, and Chennai. Number 2. National Highway 27, total length 3507 kilometers. National Highway 27 sits at the second position in the list of the longest national highways in India. It is 3507 kilometers long and connects the eastern part of India with the western part, a part of north-south east-west corridor of NHAI. This highway runs from Porbandar in Gujarat to Silchar in Assam. It connects 7 states and 47 cities to each other on a single stretch. NH27 is considered as the economical pulse of the country. Connecting states Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. Connecting cities Porbandar, Bamanbor, Morvi, Samakhali, Randhanpur, Palanpur, Pindwada, Udaipur, Mangarwar, Chittorgarh, Kota, Baran, Shivpuri, Ganj, Jhansi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Faizabad, Gorakhpur, Gopalganj, Pipra, Koti, Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga, Forbesganj, Araria, Purnia, Dalkola, Islamapur, Shiliguri, Jalaiguri, Mainaguri, Dhupgarh, Falakata, Sonapur, Salsaguri, Bongai-Gaon, Bijni, Patacharkuchi, Nalbari, Guwahati, Dispur, Nagaon, Dobaka, Lumden, Haflong, and Silchar. First on the list is National Highway 44, previously called National Highway 7, total length 3745 km. The National Highway 44 is the longest national highway in India, with a length of 3745 km, running from Srinagar in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. It covers the entire nation and connects 11 states and about 30 important cities with each other. This highway came into being after fully or partially merging 7 national highways: NH1A, NH1, NH2, NH3, NH75, NH26, and NH7. The Central Public Works Department (CPWD) takes care of the maintenance of this highway. Connecting states Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Connecting cities Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Ambala, Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat, Delhi, Mathura, Agra, Gwalior, Jhansi, Narsinghpur, Nagpur, Adilabad, Hyderabad, Jadcherla, Kurnool, Anantapura, Bengaluru, Dharampuri, Salem, Namakkal, Karur, Dindigul, Madurai, Kovilpatti, Tirunelveli, and Kanyakumari. These are the top 10 longest national highways in India.